Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and this is the tips and tricks video. I've actually shown this little tip quite a while back, and I thought it was time to maybe do it again because I get regular comments of, how do I uninstall an app or program in Windows 10, and I'm going to show you different ways of doing it. So if it's an app that comes from the Microsoft Store, you can easily, just by going to the Start menu and checking out the app. So say, for example, I've got here the, let me just check it out. Which one would I want to remove? So I've got the Maps app. I don't use this at all. Well, you can right-click, and you might have an option to uninstall. Now here you see it doesn't, because some core apps still don't let you uninstall. But let's try Microsoft News here. Right click, here you go. You got uninstall button. So you can actually click the uninstall button, and that will simply work. So you right click on the app, and it's going to bring you there. Now, some apps are programs that are actually installed, good old style, Win32 programs. So how do you actually have that removed? Well, they are going to bring you to the proper place. So for example, if I would like to remove VLC Media Player, you could right click on it from the Start menu, and from here you would be able to actually click the uninstall button. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring you to the Programs and Feature page, where you can actually remove the programs that you don't want from this place. This is like the old Programs and Features from Windows 7. So if you're coming from Windows 7, you already know that this is, you'll be okay with this. Of course, you can go to the Control Panel by going to Control Panel in Windows 10, and here by going to the Control Panel, you will have Programs and Features. Just remember that core apps, like the Microsoft News app, for example, that I removed, are not in this panel. They are in a separate place. So here, of course, the only thing that you can do, and the only thing you want to do, whatever, is go search for whatever you want to remove on your computer. And from here, you'll be able to, of course, remove by clicking uninstall. So if you click software, you'll have the repair option or uninstall option. And so you just follow what you want. And one last place where all these apps are, if you go to your settings, and here you go into apps. Well, every apps, be it a Win32 app, be it a Microsoft Store app, are all going to show up here in this list. It's going to tell you how much space it takes and all of that. You can, of course, once again, click what you want to remove and click the uninstall button, and it's going to remove from your computer. Once again, if it's a Win32 app, it will actually bring you to, most of the time it will bring you to the control panel where Programs and Features exist. So several places where you can actually uninstall, and it's kind of messed up a little bit. Hopefully at some point they're all going to aggregate this into one simple way of doing things, and that's it. But it's Microsoft, and that's sometimes the way that they work. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.